Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Ashley Marie. I specialize in vintage hair, makeup, and fashion with a little mix of modern style. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified when I upload videos. Today, I have a pretty informative video for you on how I keep my hair healthy. I did do a healthy hair video before, but that was when I was blonde. This one, I've changed up a little bit of things, a few things. I've had red hair for over 10 years. I just wanted to share my little secrets and tidbits with you. So if you watched my last video, I did mention that I haven't been doing very well health-wise because I've just been really stressed. I started noticing that I was losing more hair than usual, and it made me really sad because I love my hair. So I knew that I had to do something. I have been seeing a difference, and I wanted to share that all with you because if I can give you a tool to give you back your confidence, then I want to do that. And the device I'm referring to is the iRestore Laser Hair Growth System. It has been a tremendous benefit. I have noticed thickness in my hair, and it is growing slightly faster than it was before. You'll actually start seeing results between 3 to 6 months. iRestore is an FDA cleared, clinically proven device. It uses laser technology therapy to help stimulate hair growth, and it uses 282 lasers and LED lights. Now, what does that exactly mean? Basically, the hair follicles absorb that light, which increases the cell metabolism in the hair, and it recharges those dormant hair follicles, allowing them to grow again. It's like watering a plant. Once a plant starts to die, you water it and then it starts coming back to life. iRestore uses lasers and LEDs. And the reason for that being, lasers penetrate the follicles better, but LEDs cover a larger area. There are two different iRestore devices. There is the iRestore Professional, which is the one that I have here, and the iRestore Essential. So with the Professional, there are 282 medical grade lasers and LEDs in this device, which you can see right here. And it has extended coverage covering the top, sides, and back area. So it's really, really helping with that receding hairline and that hair thinning. And it's even more lightweight than the Essential device. The interior is designed with a ventilated pattern to allow for comfort and breathability, and so it doesn't trap heat. It has built-in safety sensors, so as soon as you take the device off, it shuts off to prevent any harm, which I think is great. You also do want to have the device on for 25 minutes, 3 to 4 days a week.
And it's so convenient, you can use it while you're working, getting ready for work, watching TV, reading a book, and many other things.
iRestore offers a 12-month money-back guarantee. It shows me the integrity of a company. They believe in their product so much that they're willing to offer you 12 months to try it out, so you don't have to worry with iRestore. And they offer free returns, and it also has a 1-year warranty. Now with the iRestore Essential, that one has 51 medical grade lasers and LEDs. And that one just has basically the top scalp coverage. You also do want to use it 25 minutes, 3 to 4 days a week. And because the device is comfortable, you can read a book, you can watch TV. It really does not get in the way. I also did receive their kit, which comes with extra products that help stimulate that hair growth. So I'd like to get into some of that with you. First on the list is the anti-hair loss shampoo. And this is just really going to help prevent breakage, thinning, hair loss, and dryness. Next is the anti-thinning conditioner.
This has revitalized my hair follicles, it's thickened and improved their density, which has helped strengthen and moisturize my hair.
Next is the 3-in-1 hair growth system.
This has helped reverse the hair thinning process and overcome the effects of DHT.
And last but certainly not least, we have the hair gummy vitamins. It's made with natural flavors and ingredients, and it's not only going to restore and promote hair thickness and hair growth, but it's also going to do incredible things to your skin and your nails. I honestly cannot remember the last time I actually had my natural nails grow out fully and not had damage on them. All I have left of my old nail from where my acrylics are is right here. I have never had them grow out that fast before. Now, I'm only one person, so I do encourage you to go on Amazon and read their reviews. You can see so many testimonies and before and after pictures of people that have used the iRestore device and have received incredible results. They have over 900 reviews and are top rated on Amazon. And a couple more final exciting things. iRestore is actually giving away one free iRestore professional hair device a month. So be sure to click the link in the description box below and enter that giveaway. And if you're ready to start your hair growth journey now, be sure to also click that link in the description box below and enter code Ashley350 for a discount. iRestore is today's sponsor, which I'm so thankful for because I've been able to share this new device with you that I know will help so many of you. So thank you so much, iRestore, for sponsoring this video. Moving on to the next products that I use. The first shampoo I've been using is the Sap Moss Aveda Weightless Hydration Shampoo. I have noticed that my hair does not feel weighed down. Now, if I'm going to compare it to my Enjoy Luxury Shampoo, I'm going to have to go with my Enjoy Luxury Shampoo, but this is an incredible alternative. So if the luxury hair shampoo didn't work for you, I would recommend trying the Aveda Sap Moss. For conditioner, I have the It's a 10 Defrizzing Cleansing Conditioner. I actually got this at I believe Marshall's for $12.99. It says it detangles, but honestly it doesn't detangle my hair, which is kind of a bummer, but it does leave it feeling healthy. It does give that shine. It's sulfate and paraben free. It also improves texture. I do like it, and I do feel like it's added some health to my hair. Now, my favorite conditioner is just out of this world, and it is a color depositing conditioner. It is the Cara Color Conditioner. I got this in copper, and I believe they have about 19 different shades, colors, and I found this on Amazon. It has over 45,000 reviews and 4 stars. Oh my gosh. Before I was using the Pravana color depositing conditioner, but this one, blew it out of the park. So my hair, it's already been 3 weeks. Actually, it's gonna be a month since I dyed it, and it is still so vibrant. I use this once a week, and I wash my hair twice a week, so I always rotate. It also detangles my hair great, and it also does leave it soft and lightweight. It is not heavy. I keep it on for about 5 minutes. I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong with Cara Color Conditioner. 20 out of 10. I recommend, if you dye your hair, get this and try it out.
Okay, doll, so I wanted to show you how I apply my other products. So I just washed my hair, and this is how it looks when it comes out. And I start with my Marc Anthony Grow Long Vitamin E Leave-In Deep Conditioner. This is supposed to help your hair grow. I've only been using it for maybe about 3 weeks, so I can't tell you if it's been working, but I can tell you it is incredible when it comes to taking out tangles, and it leaves my hair so soft and smells so good. This is the Bedhead Blowout. So what I do is I use 2 pumps and apply that all over my hair, focusing more on center and ends, and then I use my wet brush to comb right through. I love this blow dry serum. It leaves my hair less frizzy. And now I'm taking my Suavecito serum, anti-frizz serum, and applying that all over my hair, focusing mostly on the ends, and then just combing through. So once I've applied all those products, I will blow dry my hair, and then because I don't want to waste a hairstyle, I pin it. So after I blow dry each section, I pin it, and then in the end I'm going to unpin it, and that's going to be the style of my hair for work. That way I don't have to use any curling iron, since I'm already using the heat from the blow dryer. So this is how it looks, and then I'll do my makeup, and then I'm just going to start unpinning. When I first started doing this, my curls would not stay all day because my hair had been a lot more damaged. Now that I've been doing this whole routine, my curls seriously stay until the nighttime.
So here is the final look, my loves. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. If you have any fun products that you like and you'd like me to try out, mention it down below. And don't forget to check out iRestore by clicking the link in the description box below. I love you, dolls, and I will see you soon. Bye, loves.